Saabs are pretty special cars. And as you can imagine, they require some pretty special tools. Today I'm going to show you the most important tool that you can have in your Saab fixing arsenal.
It's time to stop! It's time to stop, okay?
This resource here is probably the best resource for all Saab owners, especially if you fix your own car. Tracking your repairs is extremely important to making sure you know exactly what you did and when you did it. So throw away that pen and paper because
we're not cavemen! We have technology!
Now hop on your computer and open up Google Chrome. The website we want to go to here is saabparts.com. Here you can find so many things to keep your Saab on the road. From finding parts to the repair shops closest to you, this website has it all. Plus this cool little feature right here. It's called the Saab Original VIN Decoder, and it shows you the exact build sheet on your Saab. So let's log on here and give this a try. Here I have a Saab listing up, and I'll copy the VIN right here and paste it into the decoder. And bam, we now have the whole build sheet on it. But this has an even better tool. If you work on your own Saab like I do, tracking them on pen and paper is absolutely awful because, well, organization. On the sidebar here, we have something called a maintenance log where you can track every repair, every nut, bolt, fastener, plastic clip, and fluid you decide to put in your car. Even if you don't do the work yourself, it gives you an option to select the Saab-specific workshop that you took your car to. It's absolutely brilliant to track everything. What more could you want out of a tool? I bet your Tech 2 can't do this. But anyways, I hope all you Saab fans can utilize this to help you keep a nice record of everything done to your car. Thank you for watching.